going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. I want to show you an app where you can get paid to answer questions in video format. It's very simple. You'll see here on this homepage, I have 5 questions, each worth $1. And then I have another question that's worth 25 cents. So I'm going to answer all these questions just to show you how it works. Like I said, it's video format, so you'll have to record yourself answering the questions. So when you want to get started, you just click on the one you want to start first, which I'm going to do the 5 questions first. And then you see in the question details, that's what you're going to answer in the video format. So basically, when your video format, answer the questions for at least 15 seconds. So I'll do that. I'll fast forward this part of the video, but like I said, just 15 seconds. Then when it is done, you just click on upload and then wait for it to be uploaded. It takes, maybe a couple seconds to do that. And then once you're done with that, it'll take you directly to the next question. So I'm going to do that one as well. Again, looking at the questions, and make sure you answer the question fully. Sometimes they'll have 1 or 2 questions in there. Make sure you answer both of them in the video form, because you can get declined if you don't answer all of what they're asking for. All right. So again, just upload it, very simple. And again, I'll do one more. This is question 3 of 5. And again, looking at the question, making sure when I do my video, I'm going to answer everything that's in there. I'm going to be clearly seen in the video, and then my audio can be heard. All that kind of good stuff is very important in each video submission that you put in. And so there, again, you just upload it. And now you kind of get the drift of how it goes. So, that's very simple to do. I've answered 3 questions, but I'm actually going to just fast forward to me answering all of the questions. And then I also had a 25-cent one that I'm going to answer as well. So I'll just kind of skip past all of that. So right here showing I answered 5 successfully. Now I'm going to go back to the home page. And you see here I have no more questions. I have $2.50. So you just kind of wait a little minute for them to actually approve the questions. And then when it's approved, it'll go into your account. And right there, $7.75 I have. You need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. It doesn't say the loan to reach. If you're just basically coming in here and answering questions, every so often. You don't have to do it like every single minute, but every day they will throw you questions. Just come in here and check what they're offering you. And if you want to get more questions, there's always a tab to unlock more video questions, to use that. And that way you can continue to make money with it. It's a really cool app. I've been using it for a long time. I've been paid by them. They do pay once you request payout, you usually get your payment within the next hour or so. So it doesn't take long to get it. I'll leave the link to download it in the description. You can download it on your iPhone, your tablet, Android, whatever it is. So get started with it today. Link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.